Oh, what's this? Oh,
Boy, if you don't get your squiggly diggly head.
Amber Alert! Amber Alert!
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Florida beginning at 6:12 p.m. and ending at 8:12 p.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Christian Simus, a black male, 7 years old, 3 feet 7 inches tall, 57 pounds, black hair and brown eyes, last seen in the area of the 1200 block of West 3rd Street in Riviera Beach, Florida, who was last seen wearing a gray shirt, gray shorts, and red Spider-Man shoes. The child may be in the company of Gene Simus, a black male, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 135 pounds, black hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a 2019 black BMW 440 Grey Coupe, Georgia tag number TBZ 4664. The vehicle has tinted windows. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Riviera Beach Police Department at 561-845-4123 or 911 pound Flimber.
If you're looking for a new car, come to Jenkins Hyundai.
We had one literally last Wednesday. Now we got one today.